Hello everyone. So today we are going to discuss here the 3-bit binary up down counter in a practical session. So as we know that counter means what? It counts the number of clock pulses. Counter means what? Count the number of clock pulses. So 3-bit. 3-bit means what? It requires the number of 3 flip-flops. So in this practical we are going to use the JK flip-flop. We are use JK flip-flop. So 3-bit. So that means 2 raised to n is equal to what? 8. Why? Because of n is what? Number of bits. N is what? Number of bits. So 2 raised to 3. What here? It is 2 raised to 3. 2 raised to 3 is what? 8. And 8 minus 1, that is what? 7. So these are what? My maximum count is there. In this case, in binary up counter, we are going to measure the clocks 000 to 111. That means 00, then 001, 010, 011. It is a binary count, whereas this is decimal count. As we are increasing number of clock pulses, the corresponding decimal number is increased in this up counter, opposite to that of down counter. That means what? It counts the highest number to lowest number. That means maximum count is first is what? For initial condition, it is the highest count, that is a 111, and then 110, then 101. Likewise, that means 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. Likewise, it is a down count. But 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, it is what? Up count. So here, see the block, it is a diagram of, or it is a board of our 3-bit synchronous counter, which consists of what? The flip-flop 1, flip-flop 2, flip-flop 3. JK flip-flop we are used. So as we are solving the excitation table and the K-map, we are getting these equations with JK, JB, and J2, K2. So JK combined it is what? 1, 1. That means what? Logic 1 we are getting. Okay. And logic 1 means what? It is a plus 5 volt power supply. Okay. So see the connection with respect to that particular equation where we are getting. So J and K, where it is what? Logic 1. That is the logic 1 we are combinedly connected here plus 5 volt. This is what? Clock signal. See, it is a negative clock we are used. And the board is what? Synchronous. That means simultaneously we are applying clock to all flip-flops. Okay. So see the connection for the clock. Here we are going to connect the clock. Then see the output mode we are selected here up mode. That means mode selection we are connected up mode. So output of first flip-flop is going to be act as a input for second flip-flop. Then output of first and second flip-flop, that means product QA and QB, we are going to that particular AND gate. As we are getting equations, similar way we have to connect our diagram. Okay, and see here we are getting MSB bit, here we are getting LSB bit. Okay, so we have to rotate our board, turn on the power supply after the connection. Yes, connection is over because of, see, output of first flip-flop is connected to the input for second flip-flop, and the third flip-flop input is what? It is a product of QA and QB. Product of QA and product of, that is QA and QB product, we are connected to JB, JC and KC where is combined. So turn on the power supply. See, initially what? When we are not applying any clock, so LSB, then QB, and this is what? Our QC. It is a 0. When we are applying first clock, it becomes what? 0, 0, 1. As our truth table is there. Okay, what is our truth table? It is what? 0. So first condition, when we are applying first clock, it is the 0, 0, 1, 1 number count is there. See, then when we are applying second clock, then it changes from 0, 1, 0, that is second. See, 0 1 0 binary 2, 0 1 1 3, 1 0 0 1 0 0 1 0 0 4, 1 0 1 1 0 1. It's a 5. Then 1 1 0 1 1 0. It is 6. It is all 1 1 1 1, all 1. When we are applying 8 clock, it becomes all zeros. Okay, all 0. So this is what it is, a binary up counter, and only 2 changes is there in a down count. You have to remember, just turn off the power supply, select the mode as a down mode, and change only that QA output to QA bar, QA output to QA bar. Okay, just only 2 wires is changed. You have to remember, QA output is connected to QA bar. So output you have to only change. We have to use the bar only. Okay, only 2 changes. Then turn on again power supply. See, all my initial condition is what? All 0. Okay, so next when we are applying first clock, all becomes 1 because of down count is there. See, all 1 is there. See, 1 QB1 QA1. Then is what? 1 1 0, that is 6. Next clock 6. Okay, then 5 1 0 1 5, 1 0 0 4, 0 1 1 3, 0 1 0 2, 0 0 1 1, all 0 becomes 0, and next condition it becomes high all. It is a first condition. So that means after repeating 8 clock, our count is also repeating. So this is what 3-bit synchronous up and down counter. Thank you.